Are you still buying expensive cleaning sprays that smell strong, burn your nose, and somehow never fully work? What if the real secret to a cleaner, safer home has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? Stay with me because what you're about to learn might completely change how you clean forever.
Let's be honest. Most of us grew up thinking cleaning meant strong chemicals, bright bottles, and warnings printed in tiny letters. If it smells powerful, it must be working, right? That's what we were taught. But over time, many people started noticing something wasn't right. Headaches after cleaning, irritated skin, pets sneezing, and that heavy chemical smell hanging in the air long after you're done. At the same time, prices for cleaning products keep going up. You walk down the cleaning aisle and suddenly realize you're spending a small fortune just to keep your home fresh. Glass cleaner, bathroom cleaner, floor cleaner, disinfectant spray, drain cleaner. Each one promises something different, yet they all do pretty similar jobs. What if I told you that many of these products are overkill? And even better, what if I told you that you can clean most of your home using simple items you already own? Items that are cheaper, safer, and better for the planet. Today, we're talking about repurposing common household items into clever, eco-friendly cleaning solutions. No complicated recipes, no fancy equipment, just smart, practical hacks that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll see cleaning in a whole new way, and you might never look at your pantry the same again. Before we jump into the fun stuff, let's talk about why this matters. Many common cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can irritate your lungs, skin, and eyes. Some release fumes that lower indoor air quality, especially in smaller homes or apartments. Over time, that exposure adds up. There's also the environmental side. Those chemicals don't just disappear after you rinse them down the drain. They travel through water systems and can harm aquatic life. Plastic bottles pile up, and all of this comes from products we use almost every single day. I didn't switch to eco-friendly cleaning overnight. At first, I was skeptical. I honestly thought natural cleaning wouldn't be strong enough. But after trying just one simple swap, I noticed my home smelled cleaner, not harsher. I stopped coughing after cleaning the bathroom, and my pets weren't avoiding freshly cleaned rooms anymore. That's when it clicked. Cleaning smarter doesn't mean cleaning harder, and the best tools were already in my kitchen. Pantry powerhouses, your secret cleaning arsenal. Let's start with the real heroes of eco-friendly cleaning. These are items you probably already have and maybe never thought of using this way. White vinegar might not smell amazing at first, but don't let that fool you. Vinegar is one of the most powerful natural cleaners you can use. It cuts through grease, removes mineral buildup, and leaves surfaces streak-free. Think about your windows and mirrors. If you've ever used store-bought glass cleaner and still ended up with streaks, vinegar might be your solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray lightly, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and you're done. No haze, no residue. Vinegar is also great for descaling. If your kettle or coffee maker has white buildup inside, vinegar can break that down naturally. Just rinse well afterward and you're good to go. One important note, vinegar is strong, but it's not for everything. Avoid using it on natural stone like marble or granite, but for most everyday surfaces, it's a game changer. Now let's talk about baking soda. This humble white powder is one of the most versatile cleaning tools you'll ever use. It's gentle but effective, making it perfect for scrubbing without scratching. Got a stained sink? Sprinkle baking soda directly onto the surface. Add a little water and scrub with a sponge. You'll see grime lift away with very little effort. Baking soda is also amazing for odors. Sprinkle it on carpets, let it sit for about 15 minutes, then vacuum. It absorbs smells instead of covering them up. You can even use baking soda in the fridge to keep things smelling fresh. No fake scents, just clean, neutral air.
This one surprises a lot of people. Citrus peels, like lemon or orange peels, are packed with natural oils that cut grease and leave a fresh scent. Instead of throwing peels away, put them in a jar and cover them with white vinegar. Let the mixture sit for 1 to 2 weeks, strain out the peels, dilute with water, and you've got a powerful, fresh-smelling, all-purpose cleaner. It works great on kitchen counters, stovetops, and even trash cans. Plus, it smells way better than plain vinegar alone. This is one of those hacks that feels almost too easy. You're turning food waste into a cleaning solution that actually works. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can take things a step further. These next ideas combine simple ingredients into solutions that rival store-bought cleaners.
DIY all-purpose spray. If you want one cleaner that does almost everything, this is it. Mix water, a small amount of vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil like lemon, tea tree, or lavender. This spray works for counters, door handles, bathroom surfaces, and more. The essential oils add a pleasant scent and mild antibacterial properties, while vinegar does the heavy lifting. It's customizable too. You can adjust the scent based on what you like. No overpowering perfumes, just clean and fresh.
Natural drain declogger. Slow drains are frustrating. Most people reach for harsh drain cleaners that can damage pipes and release toxic fumes. Here's a safer option. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. You'll see fizzing. That reaction helps break down buildup. After a few minutes, flush with hot water. This works best as regular maintenance, not for severe clogs, but it keeps drains flowing without harming your plumbing or the environment. Polishing wood with olive oil. This one feels almost wrong until you try it. Olive oil isn't just for cooking. It can bring life back to dull wood furniture. Mix a small amount of olive oil with a little lemon juice. Apply with a soft cloth, rub gently, and buff. Wood looks richer and healthier without synthetic polish. Just remember, a little goes a long way. You're polishing, not soaking. Here's the big reveal. The most surprising part of eco-friendly cleaning isn't just that it works. It's that once you switch, you realize how unnecessary most commercial cleaners really are. Think about it. For decades, we've been told we need a different product for every surface. But the truth is, a handful of simple ingredients can handle nearly everything in your home. Even more powerful is the health impact. When you remove harsh chemicals, your indoor air improves almost immediately. Your skin feels better, cleaning feels less stressful, your home becomes a place that truly supports your well-being, and the cost savings are huge. Over a year, DIY cleaning solutions can save hundreds of dollars. That's money back in your pocket for things that actually matter. The biggest surprise? Once you start, you don't miss the old products at all. Let's quickly recap. Vinegar cuts grease and removes buildup. Baking soda scrubs and deodorizes. Citrus peels turn waste into powerful cleaner. And with a few simple mixes, you can clean your home safely, affordably, and sustainably. You don't have to change everything at once. Start with just one swap this week. Maybe replace your glass cleaner or try baking soda in the sink. Small changes add up faster than you think. Now I want to hear from you. What's one natural cleaning trick you've tried or want to try next? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped you rethink cleaning, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple health and lifestyle tips, and share this with someone who still buys 5 different cleaning sprays. Your home can be clean, safe, and eco-friendly, and it all starts with what you already have.